Alright, well, I don't know if I caught any good footage of the stitch test for this 1201, but I did get it working, and it's time to drop it back in the cabinet. So, get that side on the hinge. This side on the hinge. And tighten it in place. And before I got the bobbin winder free, I thought I could put the 1207 in this cabinet, but it didn't fit, even though you would have been probably looking at the 1201 and the 1207 at the same time in a Sears Roebuck. So that's back in, and it's stitching well, and it already has a new home, because as I was working on it and getting this bobbin winder working, there was a post on Facebook, somebody looking for machines, so it will be out of here shortly.